Welcome to 10 Key on the Computer. I'm Nancy Backlund. I am your instructor for this particular class, and this video is to get you started so that you can be successful. So what you'll want to do is beneath this video is click on the orientation button. That module has a series of pages that you're going to review. So click on the first page, read it, and then click the next button, which will be in the bottom right corner. Progress through the module. At the end of the module, you have an assignment as well as a quiz. Both of those must be completed prior to the week 1 module opening. Now, that week 1 module is not going to open until Monday with the official start of the class, because that's the date that you can actually create an account using the code that you were to have purchased for the class. You must have the code in order to get into the software and actually do the lessons. Once you create your account, you're going to complete lessons 1 through 5, and you create a report and get that submitted by Friday at noon. And then later that day, the quiz opens for the week that basically assesses your speed. Okay, so remember that schedule, because that's pretty much how we do it for the rest of the course. Every Friday at noon, or by noon, you need to have submitted that report, and by Sunday evening, you'll have to submit the quiz for that particular week. The course depends on your speed and your accuracy, and the only way that you're going to get better is by practice. So each lesson requires 5 attempts at a certain accuracy level, which is fine. Some students can do that without any problem, but your speed does not improve unless you practice. So just keep that in mind. You need to spend a little more time possibly to get your speed to a level, and that's all gone over in the orientation module. So take time and read those pages. If you need to contact me, use the inbox button there on the left side of your screen, and I will get back to you as quickly as possible. So I wish you success in the class. And the only other thing I should mention is this course is designed for the keyboard that has the 10 keypad on the right side. If you don't have the 10 keypad on the right side, you will not have speed that meets the requirements for a good grade. It's too difficult to use that top row on your keyboard. So make sure that you have either an external keypad or the keypad built into your keyboard. Okay? If you have any questions, let me know. I wish you a great class.